I know. Alam ko. Hi guys, my name is Rhobie and yes, I'm back. Na-miss niyo ako, diba? Ilang years din naman kasi talaga akong nawala. After years of my disappearance, you would expect na meron akong tripod, no? Kasi yung tripod ko noon, unan lang. So wala pang any professional setup. Ngayon, may dalawa na tayong lighting, meron na tayong ilaw, meron tayong pa-ring light dito na mirror. So ayan, improvise kasi wala tayong budget.
Broke people should never laugh!
Pero you would think after years, ako nawala. You would think na meron akong tripod. No. Cheapskate tayo. Wala tayong time to buy unnecessary things na hindi naman natin magagamit for 3 years or 4 years. So 3 years na pala akong wala dito sa YouTube na to. Yung last video ko, TMI tag. Too much information tag. Naka-private siya ngayon kasi di ko papakita. Pero yan, hi guys! Welcome back. No, welcome me back to the YouTube space. Bumabalik na tayo dito. Okay, nagbabalik loob. Okay, nag-aano tayo ngayon, nagre-reconcile sa aking dating relasyon. How are you guys? Kumusta naman kayo guys? I miss you. It's been years, been 3 years since I've talked to a laway ko sis. Lagi ko naman kinakausap yung camera kasi kinakailangan para sa school. Masana na ngayon, online classes. By the way, kamusta online classes niyo mga people? Akin, okay lang naman. Akala ko magtatap. Actually, feeling ko mas madali pa talaga yung face-to-face. Iba talaga yung experience ng face-to-face sa online class. But, I'm excited to film today's video. It's been 3 years in the making, and I'm back. If long-time viewer na kayo sa channel ko, you would know that this is the shirt na I wore for my first video here sa channel ko. Sobrang laki ng pinagbago ng mukha ko, ng boses ko. So yun nga guys, ng galawan ko, ng lahat, ang laki ng pinagbago sa 4 years since uploading that first video here sa channel nito. And I gotta say, I'm really proud of myself kasi ang laki ng pinagbago ko over the years. Pero that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to explain bakit ako nawala for so long at bakit bumabalik ulit ako sa YouTube scene. Before I go into that, I just want to say I missed you so much. I miss talking to a camera. Na-miss ko na mag-edit. Na-miss ko na mag-express ng sarili ko sa camera. Okay, I just miss doing this. Lala. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So today, yung gagawin natin is mag-makeup tayo. Mag-makeup routine. Kasi over the years, ang laki, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, ang laki ng pinagbago ko. Ang dami nangyari sa buhay ko, ang daming pangyayari, ang daming life-changing events. Mas ang dami nangyari, and one of them is my interest sa pag-makeup. So today, we're gonna be doing our makeup, and with a twist. So today, kakain tayo ng fire noodles. Okay, this is a cheesy one. Ayan. Medyo nanigas na siya. medyo nanigas na siya. Pero ayan. Oh, di ba? Sabi ko nanigas na siya. Pero we're gonna be eating the fire noodles while doing our makeup. Kaso, parang hindi ko feel kainin yan while doing the base. So, babalikan ko kayo once I've done the base makeup. And then, let's start eating. And let's start doing the eyes and the rest of the face. Okay? Okay.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I'm back. Wag na natin pag-usapan yung eyebrow. Wag natin pag-usapan yung eyebrows. Okay? It's a work in progress. Ayun pa rin talaga isang step na pinifigure out ko pa rin. But this is the base. This is how I do contour. If gusto nyo guys ng tutorial on how to do a base for beginners, mag-comment lang kayo down below. Tongue twister pa rin sa akin talaga yun. So nagbe-bake lang ako dito sa taas para hindi mag-crease yung mga wrinkles ko. I think I need more. Papawis na ako mga mare. Ang hirap naman talaga mag-film sa Pilipinas. Ayan! Mukha na tayong tanga. That's what we want. We want to look stupid before we can look good. By the way guys, if interested kayo sa mga products na ginagamit ko, the products will be linked in the description down below. Oh, yes! Gumagano na si Mare. Siyempre, beauty YouTuber na tayo ngayon. So, siyempre, kailangan tayo magbago ng kapalaran natin. Kapalaran? Pero ayan, so yung powder na ginagamit ko is Nichido. Maganda daw ito eh. Hindi ko pa alam sabi ko maganda ba. Pero, mukhang maganda pa naman. Sabi ko hindi maganda, pero maganda naman. Gago lang. So, mag-uumpisa na tayo kumain. Ayan. Kunin ko lang, pero ito na siya. Ayan, so para for extra precaution, nagdala ko ng isang bowl ng kanin. Kasi daw, ang kanin daw, pag maanghang, nagpapatanggal daw ng anghang. Ano daw? Kunwari nakakain ka na maanghang na something. Tapos gusto mo mawala. Kain ka daw ng starch or like kanin, ganun. Tapos, wala na daw yun in an instant. Super excited na ako magsalita ulit sa harap ng camera kasi so, ayan, we're gonna do our eye makeup while doing chika kasi yun lang naman yung naisip kong gawin ko for tonight. Before we get on sa ating first bite ng samyang. Ay, shit! Tubig! Sandali, kukuha lang ako ng tubig. Ayan, napaka-unprofessional natin. Pero yan, may tubig na tayo. By Family Mart pa. Ay, shit! Di pala tayo sponsored ng Family Mart. Family Mart, baka naman pakita ko tong brand sa inyo. Pag natapos natin to, may pamilon na bar si Mayora. Kaya magme-melon na bar tayo after natin ubusin to. Yung goal natin for this video, maubos natin tong buong serving na noodles. So, let's start with the eyes. Yung una sanang color na we're gonna dive into. So, gagamitin natin yung Reversal Palette by Beauty Glazed. Ayan. So, we're gonna first dive into this color here, yung Earth. Mas saturated sa camera, pero in person, parang di siya ganun color. Pero we're gonna dip into Earth, and we're just gonna apply it in the inner V. Tap off the brush. Importante yan. So, gusto ko munang pag-usapan kung bakit ba ako umalis after kong gawin yung last video ko, which was the TMI tag. So, gusto ko muna i-explain yun. Ay! Before that, nakalimutan ko i-mention, yung makeup look na gagawin natin today is inspired by this look. It is inspired by this look. It's so amazing, it's so editorial, and I love editorial looks. So, yun yung gagawin natin. So, we're just gonna place it here, dito lang sa corner. Yan, sa inner corner. The reason why, well, one of the main reasons why, bakit umalis ako nung after nung TMI tag ko is because nasira yung laptop ko. Okay? Nasira yung laptop. Yung ginagamit ko na laptop noon, super broke down na siya, as in kulang na lang ilibing na siya. As in, parang ayaw niya nang mabuhay, gusto niya nang sumuko. Sorry, nagdadagdag lang ako ng baking powder use sa forehead kasi sobrang creasy, kasi nagpawis ako. Ito yung mahirap sa pagiging mataba, mapawisin ka. So, yung nasira yung laptop ko. Yung laptop kasi na ginagamit ko, sobrang sira na, as in, yung hinge niya, yung part na ginagamit ko for like yung rotating, dito, basta yung nasa bottom part ng screen, kung nasaan yung hinges, tsaka yung mechanism para mabuksan yung laptop, nasira na siya. As in, parang yung metal parts nag-i-expose na, lumalabas na yung true colors ng laptop ko. As in, lumalabas na lahat. As in, konti na lang, labasan na siya. Tsa! Ang bastos! Ayan, isa din sa akin is bumastos ako, guys. So, forgive me. Sana hindi tayo ma-report ng YouTube. Sana wala mag-report sa atin kay Susan. Sino ba si Susan? Tanong mo si Roses. Susan Roses. Okay! Now na na-apply na natin yung first color, tingnan natin if even. Ano yung tayo dyan? Yeah. So, we're gonna take our first bite. Di ko alam kung if napapanood niyo siya, pero I love to watch this Asian girl dito sa YouTube. called Emmy Made. Dati Emmy Made din Japan yung username niya, pero Emmy Made na lang ngayon. Lagi ko pinapanood yung mga spicy videos niya. Kumakain siya ng spicy, parang sobrang graceful ng pagkain niya. Parang walang nangyayari sa kanya, wala siyang nararamdaman na spice. Magsa-stall lang ako kasi ayoko talagang kainin to. Pero nagugutom na ako, wala pa akong kinain na dinner. Which is probably bad kasi, ayun. So yung nilagay ko lang dito is egg. Yun lang. Pati yung, yun lang. Tapos, pinan-fry ko to. Kain. Gago! Kita niyo yan? May yellow eh. But it's not that bad. It's not that bad from how I used to remember it. Matagal na kasi since I ate samyang, so parang akala ko it's gonna be this super spicy noodle. Pero it's not. It's really not. I can bear it. Kaya natin pala to eh! Possible naman pala tong video idea ko. Hindi naman pala siya flop. Okay. So, after nating ma-build yung color na earth dito sa inner part, sobrang init dito, guys. Kasi may dalawa akong ilaw. Tapos, ayan, kumakain pa ako ng spicy. Tapos, may electric pan ako. Isa lang electric pan na meron ako. Ang init! Ayan, so after natin ma-build yung color, let's just keep on building it. So, we're gonna build muna yung crease dito and going out. Yeah. So after that, going in with the same brush kasi ito lang yung brushes na meron tayo. May paintbrush pa dyan. May paintbrush pa dyan, pero ito lang yung brushes na meron tayo. Kaya sa mga beauty brands dyan na may brushes na binibenta, baka naman, helping the local industry. Helping the local industry. Parang tanga ang puta. Ayan, with the same brush, alisin lang natin sa palm of the hand. We're gonna go into gamboge. Gamboge yung pronunciation ko dito, pero it's almost the same color ng, yung gamboge is almost the same color nito, pero this one's a little bit more darker, so we're gonna do that. So going back dun sa story ko, other than na nasira yung laptop ko, I just felt really bored. Parang ang boring na mga content ko noon, like sobrang mundane, like sobrang not original siya, and I felt like it was not unique. So, let's say, within that 1 year, involvement, from the first video na in-upload ko dito, from the last video na in-upload ko dito, I had some taste preferences, okay? Kasi noon, trending pa si, wait ka din, rest in peace, Kueen. One of the pioneers ng YouTube talaga dito sa Pilipinas. Pero yun, sobrang trending niya noon and I was trying to emulate kung anong ginagawa niya because I loved his work, okay? He was amazing. He is amazing to this day. And wala lang, I just felt like yung pinipresent ko sa YouTube wasn't me, okay? So I felt like parang I had to leave kasi sobrang draining ng mga ginagawa ko. I tried to be someone who I wasn't really meant to be. Yung mga ganong sense. Pero I tried to be funny, I tried to be like extravagant, tinanay ko talaga mag-Tagalog throughout, when in reality, I was this 15, 16-year-old Rhobie who was into BTS, was talking Stan Twitter language, was doing this, and I felt like I wasn't true to myself. I felt like I wasn't being honest with who I was to my viewers, and that really unmotivated me to do anything at all. Kaya naman pala, looking back now, the reason why, parang tinatanong ko minsan sa sarili ko na, bakit ba sobrang drain ako nun, yung mga times na yun. Kaya ngayon, looking back, tuwing tinatanong ko yung sarili ko, bakit ba parang sobrang uninspired ko gumawa ng videos na like wala akong malabas na unique na video idea? It was because hindi original yung nilalabas kong personality. Naghahanap ako ng uniqueness within my content, pero I wasn't unique with myself. So, parang ayun yung naging problema ko. At the time, hindi ko na-realize. Pero now, na looking back dun sa situation ko noon, ngayon ko lang na-realize na the problem was not YouTube, it was me. I was the problem. So it was really hard. Then it came to a point na nasira na talaga yung laptop ko, nawala na. And then I decided to just stop. You know, there was one point na nasabi ko, wala naman akong makikitang career dito sa YouTube. Kasi I was trying to be famous. I was trying to be like Luigi Pacheco. I was trying to be like Pam Swing. I was trying to be like them. When in fact, I could have been just me. Pero hindi. I was trying to be someone else that I was not. I was trying to be funny, comedic. I tried following the trends. At yun yung problema ko. Lagi ko fina-follow yung trends instead of setting my own trends in my own little world and then following that para I can improve. And then be a standout. And be the sunflower in a rose field. Pero young Rhobie didn't know any better. Ayan. So, ngayon na hindi naman, hindi halata. Actually, halata. Sabihin ko sana na hindi halata yung difference from this color. Pero ito mas dark. Ito mas light. Transitioning into a light. Just blend it. Actually, hindi siya ganun ka-spicy, guys. Para lang siyang pancit canton. Like, yung pinaka-hottest. As in. Hindi ko another bite. Nagugutom ako eh. And it's tasty. This is the cheese. Ito yung cheese version. So, I love it. I love anything with like cheese. Pero not cheese itself. Hindi ko kayang pumapak ng cheese. I love cheese pag kinumbine sa mga ibang dishes. No? I think yung trick with these spice challenges is to just eat fast. Bilisan mo na yung pagkain mo, mawawala din yun. Now na napag-usapan na natin kung ano ba yung ginawa ko for all those years and bakit ako malis, let's move on to the next color. Grabing init, guys! So, with this brush right here, this is a fluffy brush. Itong brush na to nabili ko lang sa Shopee. Hanapin niyo na lang. As in, ito yung unang brush na lalabas sa Shopee. Like, search mo lang, makeup brushes, ganyan-ganyan. Ito yung unang lalabas na set. Yung green set, o kaya yung pink na ganito, pink. Ganon. So, I love it. Gift na ng friend ko na si Georgia. Hi, Georgia. Alam ko pinapanood mo to. Sana. If hindi mo to pinapanood, plastic. Plastic. Ayan. So, wipe-up natin yung brush. Then, we're gonna go into apricot. Kita nyo naman na gamit ko na to. Naabuso ko na tong color na to. We're gonna go next into apricot. Kasi yung goal natin today is for a fiery look. So, na-apply na natin yung yellow color. We're just gonna do that on the same side. But we're gonna take another bite. I love this! Ang sarap! Ang sarap! Hindi talaga siya ganun ka-spicy, guys. As in, kumakain talaga ako. Kasi, ayun ko ba, hindi talaga siya ganun ka-spicy. Ano ba? Siguro I'm a bad bitch. Pero I wanna talk about this next topic kasi I feel like ang malaki siyang ambag into my life story. Wow! Life story. What happened to me while I was in my hiatus. K-pop idol ka, girl. I was discovering myself. I was just living life, trying to discover who I really was, trying to rediscover yung passions ko, and trying new things out. Kasi I promised myself na I will only come back to YouTube pag alam ko na kung sino ba talaga ako. Pag kaya ko mag-deliver ng personality na totoo sa akin, na hindi ko nakuha from other content creators. Oh my God! Ba't ako yun na? Well, I'm here. So, ito na. Ito na yung original personality na nakikita nyo in front of you. This is me. This is how I talk when I'm alone. Which is I am right now. I'm alone dito sa living room. I wanted to come back very sure of myself. Ayun yung promise ko sa sarili ko na If I come back, I'll come back strong, and then I'll come back with a vengeance. All of that happened in a 3-year span. Pero after directly pag-post ng video na yun, I tried of thinking of many other YouTube ideas, like YouTube video ideas. Let me just apply baking powder here. That's my line score. It's really cracking. It's cracking. Cracking like a backpack.
I get it cracking like a bad bag.
Next color. So for the crease, I was planning on doing something colorful pero wala tayong brush na malinis. For that, this brush is tainted blue. Tingnan natin if kaya nating baguhin yan. Oh god, no. We're not gonna use that brush. Tapos we're gonna apply we're gonna apply straw. Itong color na to, straw. I'm gonna apply that color dito sa buong lid natin. Okay. Last year was a very scary story. Sobrang daming pinagdaanan ng family ko last year. And ang dami ko ding na natunan. Honestly, and I'm so proud na nalipas namin yun sa family and hindi namin sinukuha yung isa't isa. And that's all I have to be proud for. And ayan. Alright! So let's take another bite. Sarap! May added egg para may protein. Ang sarap! We're gonna go into the reds. So, firstly, I'm gonna take this Rhobie, this prunes shade here, and then I'm gonna take it on a shader brush, dip it in, tap it, then we're just gonna do the liner like that. Whew! Kayo naman guys, kamusta naman kayo? This is just like a mukbang lang. I really just wanted to hang out for my first comeback video and not stress about the world or like anything involved with the, alam niyo na, the panini. Now that we have that, yung next naman na gagawin natin, we're just gonna do that. Kasi yung sa kanya kasi ginawa niya dito sa lower line. So we're just gonna do the same thing. I think nasa akin lahat ng colors. Kung ano man meron dun sa babae. Yung ginamit. Nilapitit Vengeance. Ang galing ng makeup artist guys. Follow niyo siya sa IG. Sobrang galing niya. Sobrang talented. And sobrang resourceful. Ayan, so we're gonna take this flat edge brush and then we're gonna go into garnet here, yung garnet. The goal here is not perfect or parang not to be blended, but with editorial you can like go and be yourself and just like express your art however you want it to be expressed. Without the limitations of like, you have to blend this, you have to blend that. No, you just have to express your art, then go. But now to even emphasize yung darker dyan, we're gonna use rust. Right here, we're gonna use rust. Huwag nyo nga pala tignan yung kuko ko, no? Kasi ako lang yung nag-manicure dyan and ang pangit, alam ko. So we're gonna use rust to just deepen yung eyeliner. Mukhang wala nangyayari, no? Oh, wala. Hindi na malabas sa camera. So we're just gonna use black to deepen yung nag-fallout. Shit. Although nagka-fallout din sa black, we achieved the goal naman. So while I do this other eye, I just want to explain muna what have I realized after going back from that break. I realized a lot of things. I learned na it's better to be yourself than to be someone who you're not. Kasi ayun yung naging problema ko with my old content eh. Kasi I was trying to be like other YouTubers. I was trying to be trendy. I was trying to be funny, comedic. When in totality, I was not. I was neither of those. And ayun yung nagpa-setback sa akin in terms of like how I should come about with my content. And along the years, na-realize ko na it's bad. But I was stealing content, you know? I was taking ideas from small channels then on what content I should do for my next video, and naging destroying factor yon for me kasi hindi ako nagiging original. I wanted to be original pero I can't. Ooh, you look really snatched. Not gonna lie. It's turning out way better than I expected. Ayan. So next we're gonna do yung yellow dito. Now we're gonna take this flat shader brush I use for my crease and contour. For cutting the crease. Now we're gonna dive into apricot once again with a concealer brush. Just gonna tap that in there. Tap lang. How have I been? Kamusta na ba ako ngayon? Na bumalik na ako sa YouTube and all. I'm doing alright. I would say na I'm doing decently fine. My family just got back from from a terrible experience. I'm just putting this I'm just putting garnet yung ginamit natin for like yung blending out in the inner crease kasi meron yung kanya. How have I been? I feel like I've been really good lately. Nakabili na tayo ng laptop, nakabili na ng bagong phone. My father is working again. Last year kasi the pandemic hit us really hard as a family. Now we're doing really good. I feel like we're getting back on track. Hindi katulad nung situation namin dati, pero we're getting back on track. We're slowly climbing up dun sa kinalumaan namin dati na lifestyle. Ayun. So I've been very inspired lately. I've been very motivated to do a lot of creative things. Ang dami nasa isip ko ngayon. Lahat gusto ko execute at once, pero alam naman natin lahat hindi natin kaya mag-execute lahat ng mga plans natin in one go. So I'm slowly achieving them. Ayun, isa sa mga goals ko was to come back to YouTube, and here I am coming back to YouTube. Hello! Ayan, so I'm just really happy to be here. Ayan, so we've done na yung dito sa lower lash line sa inner corner. It isn't that perfect, hindi siya ganun ka-perfect, pero you know, why be perfect when you can be uniquely imperfect? Wow! We're gonna take the same brush that we used for the inner corner shade, and then we're gonna take garnet. Ayan. We're just gonna put that in the inner corner. Just so... Ay, napakinggan nyo na ba yung bagong album ni Olivia Rodrigo? I mean, yung debut album ni Olivia Rodrigo. Gagi, sobrang emotional. Sobrang nakakalungkot. I mean, never pa ako nagka-jowa. Never pa ako nagka-anything. Or parang fling or whatever. Crush meron. Pero like, wala pa. Pero that album made me feel like I've went through a lot of breakups. Honestly. Parang ang dami ko ng breakup na pinagdaanan because of that album. You're looking very fierce. I love it. I love ko ano man yung nangyayari sa mukha natin ngayon. Next, we're gonna apply yung dark shade. Where the fuck is that brush? Saan yung brush? Ayun. What the fuck? Ngayon, walang brush. Ayun pala. It's super late at night, guys. Kaya, ayun, medyo tanga-tanga na ako ngayon. I love that. Look at this effect. It isn't blended, pero that isn't the purpose. The purpose is to show how harmonious those colors can be together. Pasag sa inyo eh. I have knowledge. Listen, people just gotta start caring about kung ano man yung pinipresent nila with their makeup, kinakwento nila through their makeup. Imbis na parang striving for perfection, man, perfection is super mundane. Like, who wants to see another perfect bitch out there? No. I want to see someone with imperfection. Kaya kung ano-ano na yung mga pinagsasabi ko, lalong masabing iba. Life is just so good to me ngayon. I feel like mabait sa akin yung buhay ngayon. Dami nangyayaring opportunities. And, ayun, super excited for the future. And magka-college na ako. Yes. Kumusta naman kayo dyan mga senior high na mag-graduate? I know I am. Pero, ayan. So, wala lang. I'm just really excited to come back and be the beautiful you. Char! Angelica bang iniiba?
Come back to the young and beautiful.
But I'm just really excited to be here, you know? It's been a long time coming. Next, I want to talk about what's in store for the future Rhobie. Ano bang mangyayari kay Rhobie in the future? What will happen to this channel moving forward from this video? Let's just say, maraming ideas ang na-store ng lola ninyo. Diba? Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, I'm coming back with a vengeance and I'm coming back stronger than ever. Stronger! Baka may kantang girl. Pero, let's take the second... marami pa naman. Pero let's take our bite. If may meal kayo dyan, kain lang kayo with me. Kahit sardinas lang yan, okay lang yan.
Hi guys!
Ang sarap. You know what? Let's just finish this. We're almost finished. Woo! We're done. We're done. So, tapos na tayo with the lashes. Tapos na tayo with everything, the base, everything. I'll be back with lashes and lips, and I'll see you then. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun filming this. Welcome back. I'm happy to be back. I'm ready and excited for the things na naka-prepare para sa channel na to. And you guys are not ready. You guys are not ready. There's a lot of things coming and sana na-anticipate nyo yun. Sana you're excited too. But yeah, this is the final look. Personally, I think it looked great. I mean, it doesn't look similar, pero on its own, it looks very amazing. We're snatched to the gods. Yes! Okay, thank you guys so much for eating with me. Ayan, so tapos na tayo. Patapos natin yung noodles, guys! Yes! Hindi siya ganun ka-spicy, guys, as in. I hope na meron kayong napulot from this video. Ang daming lessons. Kahit na sobrang bangag ko na sa pagsasalita. Pero I hope you guys learned at least something from this video. At least one. And I hope to see you guys on the next video next week na agad. So, yeah, I'm just so excited to be up and running sa YouTube ulit. And I cannot be more happy. I literally cannot be more happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah.